everyone, sorry for the delay. So today we are going to start ta chi tsu te to. So after doing I u a o, then ka ki ku ke ko, and then sha shi su se su, there is ta chi tsu te to. So there is very exceptions in this table row, where the first is ta. Okay, so let's draw ta first. Okay, then moving ahead I will tell you the exceptions. This is ta. Got it? This is ta. Very easy, very easy to recall. Ta. Okay, then after ta, according to the chart, that should be t, ta ti. But there is a problem that this is pronounced as chi, ta chi. So why this happens, I don't know. Maybe the Japanese thinks to do something extraordinary, that's why they put chi. So you have to say like chi, not ti. There is nothing like ti in the Japanese language. Okay, so this is chi. Okay, ta chi, chi, this is chi. Very easy and very I really like to draw this chi. Okay, then ta chi tsu, not tu. There is not tu, that is su, and not su also. One is su and one is su. A little bit of pronunciation of t before su, that is tsu. Okay, so you have to say like tsu. So let's draw tsu. Tsu is very easy. Tsu is this. Okay, only this is tsu. Very easy. Tsu, only this, only one, not two. This is tsu. Got it? Then ta chi tsu, and then that is normally te. Okay, te, a e u a, just like ta chi tsu te. So this is te. Okay, very easy. I think this is very easy, only one, not two. Okay, te. And then to, to, this is to. There is a very little bit difference between te and to, otherwise they are same. This is te and this is to. Okay, got it? One more time. This is te, this is to. Got it? So I hope you all understand what I want to say. So let's draw the all forms. Ta chi, first in English. Okay, su, te, and to. So this is ta, then chi, then su, then te, then to. Ta chi tsu te to. So this is the ta chi tsu te to. So in next video we will learn the other rows like nani nu nenu ha hi hu he ho. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.